Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch UFC live streams easily on your mobile phone. If you're a fan of MMA and don't want to miss any fights, this simple method will help you watch matches anytime, anywhere. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type UFC and download the official app. If you already have it installed, make sure to update it to the latest version so everything works smoothly. Once the app is updated, open it. Here you will find different types of UFC content, including live streams, fight highlights, and upcoming events. To watch live streams, you may need to log in with your Google account or create an account inside the app. After logging in, you'll be able to access the available content. Keep in mind that some live matches may require a subscription to watch, so you might need to purchase it depending on the event. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.